Hi you guys, so Uncle Jack's fries are pretty popular and super yum, and I've been wanting to recreate them at home for so long. I filmed the whole process, so here goes. The first part is actually pretty basic. It's like you normally make fries at home. Cut the potato in 1-inch wide strips. Add some water and give them a really good rinse so that extra starch and all of that is removed. Meanwhile, heat some oil for deep frying the fries and very carefully place them in the oil. Take the fries out after 1 minute or so of frying. Note that the fries aren't to be fried until crisp because that should be done later. Let the fries sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime we'll prepare the masala. For this you'll just need the spices of your choice. I'm taking salt, chili powder, coriander powder, crushed mint and everything else that you want to add to the fries to make them super yum. Mix all the fries together, and when 10 minutes are over, fry the resting fries again until the desired crisp is achieved. Fry them until they look good golden in color. Now add the masala mix to the fries and mix it really well so that the fries are coated with masala. Now comes the presentation or the plating. So for this, place the fries inside a glass or tumbler one by one until all the fries are done. Fill the glass completely because that's how it's gonna look really good. When it looks something like this, it's time to add the sauces and the creams. Again, you can go with whatever you like. I'm gonna first put this mustard sauce. After mustard sauce, the second layer is gonna be of ketchup. Not much though, just a few drops because I don't really like ketchup, but you can go with however amount you like. Next, you can add some more flavors with oregano, chili flakes and all of that. And yay, it's all done. So this was a very simple recipe for making Uncle Jack's inspired fries at home. Just super yum and super easy to make. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if this was helpful. I'll see you next time very soon. Bye.